Congratulations, you've just turned 55 and you're thinking about retirement. But here's the truth, this is not the time to rush because by starting now, you have between 5 and 10 years planning horizon, which puts you well ahead of the curve. Yes, for sure, at 55, you could access your private pension right now if you wanted, but should you? What if I told you that by practicing delayed gratification, I grew my pension pot to well over £1 million by the time I retired in 2023? For starters, taking your 25% lump sum early could shrink your future income considerably. It could kill your year on year compound interest, which is the magic of long term investment, and expose you to unnecessary tax burden. Instead, you should focus on a to do list of 5 action points. And here they are. Number one, carry out an audit of your pension pot. Number two, model your income. In my next podcast, I will walk you through the model I built for my book, Mastering Pension Wealth, which is now on sale on Amazon UK. 3. Don't rush the 25% tax-free lump sum. 4. Protect against longevity risk. You really don't want to outlive your pension pot. And 5. Plan for flexibility, not finality in retirement, because retirement isn't a cliff edge, it's a curve. Your smartest move is clarity through planning ahead, not urgency, because you have plenty of runway before hitting retirement. My full podcast on retirement planning at 55, The Countdown Pivot, is out tomorrow, Saturday. Please subscribe and you'll be automatically notified when it drops. Have a nice weekend. Bye.